means you're gonna get some money.
I want to tell you something.
Cha-ching, cha-ching, ching.
It's the most courage me have. Because you know how much time my
money.
You know how much time my ambulance got.
So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody.
What's up, guys? Did you really follow me while I go?
Guys, after today, I won't sing again.
Everybody down in below, they're gonna comment down below and say, yo, please stop singing. We are gonna keep singing. I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time?
And a long time.
There for a good time.
And a long time.
Yo, what the notification gang them there? What them there? Me not sit there.
Why are you trying to find them?
I'm trying to find them. Comment down below. Notification gang, notification squad, notification zoom zoom, notification notification roar. If you know what I'm saying.
Alright, done.
Today we have a special video for you guys, and the video we have for you is called
Jamaican Superstitions.
Jamaican Superstitions. So before we get into the video, I need you to hit the subscribe button.
And comment.
Comment if you want to be a part of the family. Did I say family?
Family.
Family. Comment down below, smash the like button, and we're gonna get right into the video.
So the first superstition is if a lizard jumps on you, you're pregnant.
Or somebody is pregnant.
Or somebody is pregnant.
You know what time lizard jump on me, people? And me not know nobody will get pregnant.
Lizard jump on you?
Yeah man, lizard jump on me.
Chaddy would have a heart attack.
First of all, I'm like a mile away from lizards. I stay a mile away from lizards.
So I don't know which lizard would
I am terrified. Oh my god. I'm thinking about a lizard right now.
Okay, the next one. If you sweep at night, you sweep away your blessings. I don't know where to find these things.
Yeah. That one, I don't know, me weird.
Because I always sweep at night. I guess.
Yeah, no, the night thing is funny because that's how we do it. Sometimes we clean at night.
Yeah.
No time clean at night.
My mother always used to clean at night.
Yeah, that's weird.
And on the phone.
But thinking about it, like you clean at night is kind of weird though, don't?
She always clean at night and talking on the phone.
That's
especially when she vexed.
Jamaican mothers and love chat on phone.
Yup.
To burn time when I'm clean, chat on phone.
Next one is if you leave your handbag on the ground, you're gonna be poor.
Yeah, Danielle. Remember one time we put Danielle bag almost on the ground, you know, and Danielle said, "What you doing? What you doing?" Me think me do something wrong, you know.
Nope. But don't mess up my handbag.
But I was putting the bag on the ground. I'm sorry, but you know, my foot's up there.
Do not mess with my handbag.
We don't talk about brokenness. We talk about richness.
If your hand middle scratching you, that means you're gonna get some money.
I want to tell you something.
Cha-ching, cha-ching, ching.
It's the most courage me have. Because you know how much time my
money.
You know how much time my ambulance scratch. Yo, people comment down how much time your ambulance scratch. You go buy a lotto, you go buy a scratch off, and nothing no come. It's like a giveaway your money go a lot of people them. We want back with money. Comment down below, we want back with money.
For real, all those lottos that you're buying, you don't say no.
Danielle, I swear to God, you know how much time my ambulance scratch me, I'm gonna say yes, me I win money. I go win money and I not see no money.
Okay, so this is another one. If you dream about fish, then somebody's pregnant.
Yeah, that one I've heard of, like, but
I never really dream about fish though.
My dream about shark, I'm wake up instantly.
When was that?
Like a couple months ago. You see when you dream about shark, you know what happened?
Nothing.
Nothing happened.
Alright, this one is when you open your umbrella in the house, that means bad luck.
Oh my god. I don't know, but my mother terrified me from opening umbrellas in the house.
And standing under it, I think.
Yes.
I think I have to stand under it.
You have to go outside. Go outside! Go outside!
This is another bad luck one. Don't walk on the ladders.
Yes, that one. Oh my god, I didn't know. You know what time I walk on the ladder?
Me too, I walk on that. You know, we really must be getting enough bad luck.
Enough bad luck. enough bad luck.
This one is, I don't know if I believe this one. If you wear 1 foot of shoes, your mother will die. I never heard of that one.
This was,
Chaddy said he heard of it.
Yeah, when I was in like prep school, I used to go St. Catherine Prep. You guys don't know, comment down below. St. Catherine Prep, boom, 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 boom. But you know, but when I used to hear it, and I used to have 1 foot, and that's when I heard it. Yo, your mother got dead enough. Yo, put back on the next shoe. Yes, and that's when I put back on the next shoe. But I don't believe in it. You believe in it?
No, I don't think so. I don't think that one is real.
What I do believe in is rolling calf.
Oh my god.
You know what rolling calf story out there? Guys, comment down below your favorite rolling calf or your terrified story of rolling calf.
I don't know.
Comment down below. You guys believe in it? Comment down below. I believe in it.
I think this one goes for more than Jamaicans, but if a bird shits on you, you know that's good luck.
I'm gonna tell you the most embarrassing thing ever happened to me. I think I've told this like a long time ago. I was talking to this girl. Sorry, babe. Before you go. It was before.
Whatever.
It was before you. It was high school days. I mean, I walk, I talk to her, and I'm swag out and thinking, I'm like, yeah. I talk to the girl, and the girl, I show me legs. Toes. I feel something wet.
I sent it to
and it's hot. When I'm looking up, it green, white, go down my hand, all the way down my hand. And guess what the girl said? Oh my god! You got shit on me backside. The most embarrassing time. So you know what I did? I was man enough. I went to go to the lotto place. Cause you know it give you good luck, so you must think about money. Go in there, cha-ching, cha-ching. Get a little scratch off. Go some scratch.
How what you get?
0.
Yeah, sure. Next one is don't buy a man shoes because he will walk out of your life.
Do you guys believe in that one? Because Danielle buy me shoes already, you know, I'm gonna walk out of your life.
Not yet.
So I feel like some of them stories are kind of shaky, you know. I feel like these stories came back from like ancient grandmothers, like the grandmother them from way up your stuff. Great grandmother, and they come with some lies. Enough lie, grandmother telling them.
No.
Enough lie. Just make you do not know, just sit on one spot. Enough lie them tell you.
No, that's true.
So you got when darkness come in, you want to go run back in your house because them terrify you from outside. Them don't want you to be out there, so them tell you about rolling calf, all of them story. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to comment down your favorite terrifying story or your favorite grandmother story. Comment down below. Smash the like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again. We are going straight into notification gang.
And the first notification shout out goes to Bad Girl Kiki.
Kiki, do you love me? Kiki!
The next one goes to Samuel Landgren.
Samuel Landgren, big up your damn self. You're going right here.
And last but not least, Tawana Chimpango. I think that's all.
Tawana,
that's it.
Tawana, big up your damn self. You're going right here. If you guys want to be a part of Notification Gang, Notification Squad, you have to comment down below what is your favorite part of the video. Notification bang, notification blang, notification zoom ding, notification rolling cap.
Regular people you can comment notification shout out.
Notification squad. Notification zoom,
notification gang.
Notification lens, notification Canon, notification EOS.
Oh my god, are you naming everything off the count?
Yes.
Anyways, we are out.
So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody